Vacasa is North America's top vacation rental management platform. We operate in over 400 of the most sought after vacation destinations, North America, Belize, Costa Rica, and really just bring exceptional vacation experiences to our guests. Vacation is a huge investment, and we wanted to ensure that guests had all the data and as much information as we could possibly provide. Still photography can only get them so far, and with Matterport, they can understand exactly what they're booking and then start planning their trip accordingly. Matterport makes it possible by showcasing the layout and the details, the entire property inside and out, so guests feel more familiar with the property prior to booking and even as they're planning their trip. Another challenge that Matterport helped us solve was actually servicing guests while they are in our homes. Our CX agents are able to see the home, and when the guest is referencing something within the home, we can better understand what it is they're referencing to really troubleshoot whatever issue the guest is having. Today, 89% of Vacasa property listings on Vacasa.com feature a Matterport digital twin. We see nearly 3 times the average session duration on homes that have the Matterport 3D showcase. We also see nearly an 8% increase in guest NPS on reservations where the guest viewed Matterport before booking the home. I'm actually very excited to continue to see Matterport invest in their technology. I think from here, it gets even more interesting.